Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Learn now from your learning partner. Today, we're going to explore one of the most powerful features in Power BI, the drill-through filter option. The drill-through filter option allows us to get more insights into our data by drilling down into the details. If you're new to Power BI, don't worry, we have created our complete watch list, which will guide you step by step, where we explain everything you need to know. If you are new to our channel, first go subscribe to it and click on the above icon to start watching from scratch. Drill-through filters are a powerful feature in Power BI that allows you to dig deeper into your data by selecting a data point in one visual and then using it as a filter for another visual on the same report page. This is particularly useful when you want to focus on a specific subset of data and analyze it in more detail. To get started with drill-through filters, we first need to create a report page. We have already created a sample report page for this tutorial, but you can follow along with any report page you have. The next step is to create a visual and add a drill-through filter to it. In this example, we have a chart showing the sales by product category. We want to analyze the sales for a specific product category, so we will add a drill-through filter to the chart. To do this, select the chart and go to the Visualizations pane. Click on the Drill-Through button, and then click New Drill-Through. Next, we need to choose the target visual for our drill-through filter. This is the visual that will be filtered based on the selection we make in the source visual. In this example, we will choose a table visual that shows the sales by product for the selected category. Click Add Field and select the field you want to filter by. Now that we have set up our drill-through filter, let's test it out. Select a category in the chart and then right-click on it. You will see the option to drill through to the target visual. Click on this option, and you will see the target visual update to show the sales for the selected category. You can now analyze the data in more detail, and even drill down further if needed. That's it for today's video on the drill-through filter option in Power BI. We have covered what the drill-through filter is, how to create it, and how to use it with examples. We hope this video has helped you to understand the drill-through filter option in Power BI better. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment.